Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView. Let's dive right into understanding this versatile platform. TradingView offers a comprehensive suite of tools for analyzing financial markets, from stocks to cryptocurrencies and forex. It's designed to help both beginners and experienced traders visualize market data, identify trends, and make informed decisions. With its intuitive interface, you can quickly access real-time information and customize your charts to suit your analytical needs. Now let's set up your chart. First, easily find any asset by typing its symbol into the search bar. Next, select your preferred chart type. Candlesticks are popular for detailed price action, but line charts offer a simpler view. You can also adjust timeframes from a quick 1-minute view to a broader 1-month perspective. Finally, enhance your analysis by adding indicators like the relative strength index or moving averages, which are readily available. TradingView offers a robust set of drawing tools to enhance your technical analysis. You can easily draw trend lines to visualize market direction, or use Fibonacci retracement tools to identify key support and resistance areas. Adding text and annotations directly onto your chart helps you remember your analysis and insights. Plus, you can save your customized chart layouts, ensuring your preferred setup is always just a few clicks away for efficient trading. For an easy analysis method, focus on just 2 or 3 key indicators to keep your chart clean and understandable. Start by identifying the overall market trend using a longer-term moving average, perhaps a 50-period or 200-period line. Then, confirm potential entry and exit points with a momentum indicator like the relative strength index. Remember, consistent practice is crucial for developing your analytical skills and building confidence in your trading decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.